Welcome back to MC Fix It. Today we're going to work on tire depth tread so you can fix it before you need to. A little preventative maintenance to make sure you don't go sliding off the road this year. So this little tool cost, I think it was like $3-4 at the store. You can use a penny, but this actually gives you an accurate reading. The other thing I like is that it has yellow and a red feature on it, so you know the exact depth that it is. And so 30 seconds, they say. Most places 4 is the lowest you can be. 2 is like some states. If you live up north and it's winter time, or if you live in the south, lived in Florida a few years and it's the rainy season, you want more tread, do not have bald tires and go around. And it works really easy. All you simply do is put it on there and push down. So this one has I gotta spin it around a little bit. This one has almost 8:30 seconds, which is actually really good. 8:30 seconds. This next tire was a dummy tire on my wife's old car, and it is about 6.5, almost 7:30 seconds. And the bottom one is one I just took off that needed replaced, and it's in the yellow. For the 30 seconds, it's about, I don't even know what that is, 4.5. You don't want that. And this is the kind of the tire, if you look at this one, there's like no tread here at all. This is supposed to kind of give you a warning as well. I don't know if you can see it well on the camera, but when it gets down to that point, there's like nothing left. And as you're putting this tire gauge on there, what it does is it goes down and it reads kind of how much there is. Obviously, you're probably not going to have that on a standard vehicle, maybe a semi, but as it goes down, this is for cars, gets yellow, then red. This is such an easy little tool. It clips onto the side of things as well. Couple of dollars, well worth it, to make sure. Somebody will probably comment in the videos that you could have saved 400 times and just got a penny out. I prefer this tool. I'm not paid or sponsored by any company, but it is a tool that I find very useful in knowing what to do with tires, because the tire places will rip you off and say you need tires when you really don't. This little tool can save you hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, depending on what size your tires are. Also, I want to encourage you, check out my video I just uploaded. It shows you how to do a tire kit for $4 if you have a nail in your tire. Let's say you had one right there. You don't want to do it if it's on the sidewalls, but in the middle. Show you how to do that. $4, about 5 minutes of my time, back up on the road. In fact, right there's the tire right there that had it. It sat a couple of days, did not lose any air pressure. So we're good, set, ready to go for this winter with that tire. But again, $4. I keep this little thing, I put it in a Ziploc bag, throw it in the back of my truck to make sure if I ever have another flat. It's got 4 more sets in there, so it's pretty much $1 per flat tire instead of going to a place and them saying you need a whole new tire, which does happen from time to time. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if this helped.